Your new option pay per call, the advantages. Now that you know all about a great new option called local service ads, also called pay per call ads, let's go through the advantages first, and then the problems landscape service encounters, and notes of caution. The advantages of LSAs. Is it better than PPC? Let's compare LSAs to PPC ads. 1. With PPC ads, where you are seen on page 1 of Google, you are rotated with hundreds of others, depending on how much you spend. Here is a rough idea for you of the report we created for plastic surgeons. A practice paying more is seen 1,100 times, and someone paying less is seen 110 times, automatically reducing their number of clicks to remarkably low. So how do you compete with the big guys with deep pockets? Because our mission is to help our local businesses thrive against the deep pockets and the giants and win, we are offering LSA services with many additional features. With LSAs, you are seen on top of the page of Google with a green check mark even before the PPC ads. A definite advantage over PPC ads. Your new option pay per call, more advantages. Advantage number 2. Is it better than SEO? Most landscape service businesses are hesitant to spend the money required for SEO to be seen on page 1. SEO does have many advantages. However, when compared to SEO, LSAs for landscape service business owners may not be as expensive. SEO can get you page 1 presence, but you may still be lower down on the page where no one ever sees you. But with LSAs, you are seen on page 1 and right on top of the page and before the ads and before SEO-enabled sites. So, since LSA puts you above SEO-optimized sites, it is a definite advantage, besides being not as expensive as SEO. Someone looking for your service in your service area is a hot prospect who you would want to cherish and nurture, and make them your customer. Third advantage, you get the Google seal of approval. We call this green gold. This Google green check mark, seal of approval, immediately lets the hot prospect looking for your services know that you are okay, because you have been screened by Google, and Google actually guarantees you to be a decent landscape service provider. So this Google guarantee is a definite advantage. So you are not only seen on page 1, you are also seen on top of the page before anyone else, and you have the Google seal of approval. The green check mark is small, but everyone notices because it is right on top of the page, and there are only 2 or 3. Advantage number 4. You get to have as many calls coming into your business as you wish. Advantage number 5. If you get too busy, or if you have something else to attend to, you can slow down the calls. We have several businesses adjusting their call volume and ad spend that way. This way you are not wasting calls and not wasting your ad spend. In the next video, I will share with you the problems landscape service businesses face with LSAs. To grow your business with more leads from Google at less cost, book a 10-minute call at lsaforusa.com. Tell me what questions come up in your mind. I'd very much appreciate your feedback.